Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Yes, good day everybody watching all over the world. This is Face TV Africa. Untama Solini, who ni ọ̀rọ̀ stampede tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ there and there. And a lot of people, I saw the video of Fayose, criticizing President Tinubu. To be sincere, what is going on in the country now? A lot of hunger is in the land, and people are suffering a lot. And nǹkan tó fà á nìyẹn tó fi dàbí wípé náà àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tó ti support Tinubu tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ń jáde kò yẹ kí wọ́n regret, but wọ́n jẹ́ kí Tinubu mọ̀, which is the president of the country, to do something about the hunger in the land. A lot of people are suffering. Now, tá bá wo issue tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ìbàdàn, èyí tí ìyàwó Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀ tó organize fáwọn children, okay, ẹ wá gba nǹkan ọdún ká lè celebrate yín, we want to give 5,000 children. Ṣá fẹ́ sọ pé ibi ló ṣe ni? A lè sọ pé ibi ni ìyàwó Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀ ṣe náà. Ó try possible best láti put a smile on their faces, so that at least àwọn parents ní wà tí wọn ò ní owó láti gbé àwọn ọmọ wọn jáde. So á jẹ́ privilege fún pókè àwọn náà tiẹ̀ jáde, àwọn náà tiẹ̀ lọ síbi kan, àwọn náà gba nǹkan kan jáde. So it's not our fault. But kí ni government ṣe? Government is arrested because of the tragedy. Like about 35 children, àbí how many children ló wọ́n kú? A lot of people who are injured. So, and some people are blaming her for helping government. Now, let's leave that. The second one happened in Abuja, to our church. Why tó ṣe jẹ́ pé stampede ń ṣe láì jẹ́ pé hunger ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní country? So, President Tinubu, and the reason why I want to play this Fayose video is because of those people who is attacking the guy. Firstly, àbúrò Fayose, which is Isaac by Fayose, ó ti try, ó support Tinubu tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. But if anybody see what is going on in the country, kò possible pé torí mo jẹ́ fans èèyàn mi pé mo lè criticize ẹ̀. Èmi náà mo vote for Tinubu, but I always come here criticize his policy because it's really affecting Nigerians a lot. So àwọn kan wá they are just attacking the guy, kíní kan ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ dìbò fún, ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ ṣe kíní kan, ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ campaign fún. I'm going to play that video. But now, wọ́n dìbò fún kò túmọ̀ sí pé wọn ò lè criticize ẹ̀. So ó túmọ̀ sí pé gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n comment wọ́n fẹ́ kí Peter Obi wọlé, tó bá ṣe wrong thing wọn ò ní lè criticize ẹ̀ publicly, wọn máa sọ lẹ́yìn. Kò sí government tó máa wá tí kò ní affect èèyàn, either positive or negative, no matter how that perfect government is. Ó máa affect ẹnìkan, kò dẹ̀ ní affect ẹnìkan. Bí country ṣe hard yìí ní time Tinubu yìí làwọn kan dìde ni wọ́n rise nínú owó lọ jẹ́ nǹkan láyé time Tinubu yìí. Táwọn èèyàn bá sọ pé time Jonathan làwọn kan drop drastically, lọ run bankrupt because of maybe policy or no policy. So kò sí bí government ṣe máa wà tí kò ní issue títí ẹ̀. But we want Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of this country, to address this hunger in the land. And what kí ni nǹkan tó kọ̀ sí ẹ̀? The dollar tí wọ́n subsidize, wọ́n yọ gbogbo ẹ̀, àti epo àti gbogbo ẹ̀, wọ́n yọ gbogbo ẹ̀. Some people are selling petrol 1,050 naira. Some people are selling 1,100 naira. Some people are selling 930 something naira. President Tinubu should do something. A lot of people are suffering. All these our leaders complaining, wọ́n feel nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nigeria. Àwọn tó feel ẹ̀ jù làwọn poor masses. That is why when they say we should remove subsidy, I first supported it, but I now realize now that subsidy yìí wúlò fún gbogbo wa, kò ṣe pé àwọn kan ni wọ́n jẹ. Ìjọba mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ sọ wípé àwọn politician kan ló kówó yẹn mì. wà obvious ń sìn pé subsidy dá fún àwọn Nigerians because immediately tí wọ́n yọ subsidy yẹn ó affect everybody. So this hunger in the land now ẹ tún wòye tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Anambra State, another one stampede náà nítorí pé àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ jẹun nígbà tí kò sówó táwọn lèèyàn ṣe fẹ́ because ẹlòmíì gan wà ó jí láàárọ̀ kò lè mọ nǹkan tó máa jẹ láàárọ̀ yẹn ó jẹ́ lọ́mọ ńlé so ṣáwá gbọ́ bí tí wọ́n ti ń pín oúnjẹ lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ṣé kò ní lọ bẹ̀ ó máa lọ síbẹ̀ náà. Lagos State federal government needs to rethink about all this policy they are doing. It's affecting poor masses. We know that you are taking bold steps, you want to try your possible best to reshape this country, fine, but do it gradually. It's getting too much. Ẹ ti ń shock àwọn poverty, àwọn tó wà poor masses, àwọn tá poor yẹn ti ń shock iwájú. We are not saying that you should not do the right thing, but do the right thing in a way that at least ó máa relieve àwọn tó poor náà, kò ń ṣe àwọn tó rich nìkan náà máa enjoy ara wọn. Àwọn tí wọ́n lówó wọ́n enjoy policy yẹn, àwọn èmi ò jẹ́ enjoy yẹn but wọ́n ò feel it. So when I saw this Fayose video táwọn kan attack ẹ pé kìnnìkan ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni no, he's saying the right thing. The only way tá a fi lè support ẹ ni pé ẹ support ẹ tó bá ṣe dáadáa ẹ praise ẹ tó bá ṣe dáadáa ẹ criticize ẹ nǹkan tó ń pè ní pé èèyàn jẹ́ olóòótọ́ nìyẹn. Màá kàn wo àwọn tó support Peter Obi gbà mí tó bá ṣe the wrong thing wọ́n máa praise ẹ ni, tó bá ṣe right thing wọ́n á praise ẹ, tó bá ṣe wrong thing wọ́n á praise ẹ. Ìyẹn ò ń ṣe good supporter, ẹ kàn ń tì ní. So if I'm here now criticizing Tinubu doesn't mean that I dislike him. I want him to succeed. So what Fayose is doing, kò ṣe pé ó hate Tinubu, ó fẹ́ jẹ́ kó succeed ni. Let's play this video together.
Stampede in Ibadan, 35 people gone. The woman that is just trying to help, try to make people happy. In the process of making people happy, 35 people die. Again, in Abuja today, Holy Trinity Church, Catholic Church, stampede, 10 people don't buy again today, where they're sharing Christmas food, Christmas rice, and all. In Anambra today, again, 10 people don't buy, where they are trying to share Christmas rice and chicken. Now, to give people or to call people together to share food with them is increasingly difficult. It is very difficult now. I went to Wuse Market yesterday just to count 10K and give to like 20 people. When I got there, when I tried to even bring out the money that I want to give people, if you see the way they try to collect the money, I quickly enter my car. I left. All this happening is showing that there is big poverty in the land. People are hungry. People are so hungry. Government, I beg. This is a clear indication that there is major hunger in the land. Serious hunger. So I will advise everybody that wants to share stuff now, you need to organize it very well, or else this your good deed can turn to something else. You have to plan it. Maybe, I don't know how you're going to do it, because people are hungry, and anywhere you bring out anything now, my heart goes to Ibadan, Anambra, Abuja, people that have lost their life, their family. We pray God will grant them peace. Merry Christmas. Stay out of trouble and be careful doing good.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe ẹ hete.
Face TV was Swoby.